Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial on Midgame Tactics. This will be board number 9 from section 1 of chapter 10, the last chapter in the book. This is a free ebook that was originally found in the old Xiangqi Federation website. So without further ado, let us do a simple analysis of the situation. Red will be the first to move in this game. He would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 1 pawn, and only 2 advisors to defend. On the other hand, Black would have 2 chariots, 3 pawns, 1 horse, a full guard. So material wise, Black would have the advantage. So it will be Red's turn to move, and how can Red turn the tables in this situation? The first move would be to play R8 equals to 4. Now this is a very important move to make because Red will now threaten to checkmate by playing C8 plus 5 followed by C4 plus 3, because for beginners, after making this move, let's say Black tried to go for the checkmate. Red would be faster. This would be a check. The elephant must retreat, and Red would deliver a checkmate. So that is why Black would have to deal with the situation. Now in the book, Black played R1 equals to 2. Now instead, this was the move given in the book, but there was a comment saying that Black should have played A4 plus should have played A5 plus 6 to guard against this move, because once this move was played, Red would sacrifice the chariot for the elephant, and he would still be threatening to checkmate with R4 plus 3. So Black would have to move the elephant, and this was when Black would play C8 equals to 5, threatening with the iron ball checkmate. Red would have a winning position. So that is why A5 plus 6 would have been better in this situation. So Black would sacrifice an advisor, but at least he would live to see another day, and Red will still need some effort to win. So this concludes our short example, a short recap. R8 plus 4, threatening to checkmate with C8 plus 5 followed by R4 plus 3, and R1 equals to 2, but Red would have a very nice combination by sacrificing the chariot and then going for the iron ball checkmate. So again, basic kills are very important in Xiangqi. You must master all of them and be able to, so that you will be able to conjure up your own tactical combinations for winning. Thank you, and if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.